Talia, Ethan, sana lumaki kayong kasing bait ng mga parents nyo. Talaga namang mababait yung mga lahi natin. Kaya sana paglaki nyo sa New Zealand, magiging Pinoy heart pa rin kayo. Baby pa kayo, pero nakikita na mababait na rin kayong mga bata. Sana paglaki ninyo, ganun pa rin kayo kabait, lalo na sa parents ninyo. You know very well, Talia and Ethan, I love you very much. I wish makapunta ulit ako ng New Zealand and to serve you. I love you so much, children.
I know that it can be there someday. You've been waiting for. I know this life can be that one life you've been dreaming of. Today could be the someday. Today could be the one.
Mga apo, sana lumaki kayo ng pagkait, sipag, ganun. Andito lang kami ng lolo at lola, makasuporta, at sana maging masunurin kayong mga anak. Talia, Dos, mga apo, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Hello kids, sana lumaki kayo mabuti, masunurin sa magulang. Sana lagi niyong tandaan na mahal kayo ni Papa and gagawin niya lahat para sa inyo. Love you kids.
Open your hands and feel the air. And let the winds
Aking mga apo, malalaki na. Hiling ko po sa Panginoon na ang aking mga apo at mga anak ay maging masigla. Sila ay lumaking may takot sa Diyos at maging successful ang kanilang mga buhay pagdating ng sila ay lumaki. Maging kamukha ng kanilang mga magulang na masipag mag-aral. I love you, Ethan, Talia. God bless you, mga apo.
life you've been dreaming of. Today could be the someday. Today could be the one day. Today could be the someday you've been dreaming of. Today could be the someday.
Thanks Lord, nakita ko ngayon yung dalawa kong apo. I'm proud sa kanila. Hope nga good health sila palagi. I love you, Talia, Indos, and God bless you.
Today could be the day.
Talia, Dos! Hello! I'm so happy na baptized mo kayo and welcome to Christian World. I hope and pray that you'll grow up with God's grace. Always choose to be good, even others are not. We're always here to help you grow with beauty and grace. Mama is always here for you, no matter what.
Talia and Dos, we love you.
Mwah!
I know that it can be there someday.